Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the global market update and we'll discuss important US indices. Along with that, we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss the important key level for the next week. So, to know the Nifty 50 levels and important global market update, stock market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So let's quickly start the video and we'll discuss the important Indian indices and global indices, US indices also. Here you can see here I have opened this, and our Indian stock market was on Friday. It is a Friday. It was actually flat, not that much positive, but it was trading flat. But if you go to the US market, DJI is 1% plus. It was 1% से भी ज़्यादा ऊपर था, मीन्स it was performing on Friday. And the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they were also good. उसके अलावा स्मॉल कैप यू कैन सी इट इज ऑल्सो फ्लैट एक्चुअली. So overall, the US indices were performing on Friday, and the global market was looking good. So it will definitely affect the Indian stock market in coming. Means next week. So we have to watch how it is going to affect the Indian indices. As I will discuss in Nifty 50 chart, and then I will show you what was happening. But important thing is that, and if you check about the commodity, we can see the gold is trading at 3351, means around 33 से 3400 के बीच में ही gold is trading currently. Silver is very good, looking very good, as I always discussed in my last few videos, that silver is has crossed the 1,07,000 around. It was trading, so silver is at its high, and it is also looking very good for the future also. So silver is looking very good for the future. Brent oil, important thing जो हम लोग को डिस्कस करना है, लाइक Brent oil का mostly the market was depending on Brent oil last few weeks because of the war. As I discussed in my last video, that war is on now ceasefire. Iran Israel war is on now ceasefire, but we don't know till when it will be paused. So we have to keep watch on that also. So we'll see that what is going to happen in coming weeks. So but because of that ceasefire, the Brent oil has again come down, and you can see it was earlier, it was trading at 78 तक के हाई पे भी पहुंच गया था. It reached to, it has touched to even 79 also, around 79, not exactly. But again, after ceasefire, the Brent oil has cooled down a little bit, and now still it is trading at 66 around 66 to 67 के आसपास it is trading, which is very comfortable and good price at all, not very expensive. So this is also one reason for the rally in last week in our Indian stock market. So this is definitely, even last week I discussed the Brent oil, because of the war, was very high. So uske वजह से market has underperformed in last week I'm talking about. But last week, after ceasefire, it has impacted the market, and you can see why. What was the reason? The reason is, important reason is, Brent oil cooled off, and it has reached to we can say कि हाँ 66 तक भी पहुंच गया है. तो 66 is comfortable, as I discussed. This is a very good support level of the Brent oil. And अगर 66 भी तोड़ देता है, if it's breaking 66, then it will go to around 62 65 60 to 58 तक. But अभी के लिए we can say it is trading at good support. So Brent oil is thumbs up. It is giving good sign, positive sign. Gold and silver is trading at their flat level, but yes, silver is looking very good for the future, and it is trading at its high. Or the important news, the ceasefire news I have discussed, and I have posted the Nifty bank level also in my Saturday video. You can look on this, and you can check all the levels. And even I have posted with the Nifty bank an important banking sector stock, which is HDFC Bank. Its levels, its target, and its chart, and everything I have discussed about the HDFC Bank, which is actually taking the Nifty Bank और भी higher level पे लेके जा रहा है. Sir, you can check that video definitely and check the levels for the HDFC Bank and for the Nifty Bank. So let's come on this video, and we will now discuss the important thing is that global market is looking very positive, looking very good for the further movement of Nifty of Indian market, of Nifty 50, Nifty Bank. So let's quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart, and I'll show you what was happening in last week. You can see here I have drawn these two trend line, which is very important, showing very good support and resistance. I will discuss it. But last week, what happened when the ceasefire happened between Israel and Iran? Then after that, the market looked very happy, and it was rallied from here. You can see last week means हुआ तो यहाँ पे था, here this day it has shown very good sign because of the ceasefire. और उसके बाद से it has taken support here, and then here it was the ceasefire news, which is I think Monday, Tuesday, around Monday. Yeah, Monday, yes. And no, not Monday, it is Friday. Yes. So here around somewhere the ceasefire news came, and then see here how the market started rallying. And now I'll see there no doubt that Nifty 50 has given a clear cut breakout. Yes, I always talk about the breakout, but it has to actually sustain. If it's not sustaining, then breakout is clearly failed. So I cannot tell that what the news will come, and then how will the market will react on that. बट जहां तक मुझे क्लियर कट दिखता है एज हियर आई कैन सी it's a clear cut breakout with a very good volume, very good candle you can see here. And this has broken this trend line, which was earlier resistance. Here again, and then here again, and then here, and from here it has given a breakout. इवन वी कैन से आफ्टर नेक्स्ट डे मीन्स ये थर्सडे का ब्रेकआउट था. थर्सडे इट हैज गिवन ब्रेकआउट, देन फ्राइडे आल्सो इट हैज मूव्ड अप फ्रॉम द अर्लियर लेवल. तो मतलब यहाँ से भी ये ऊपर थोड़ा गया है, एंड आई कैन से इट हैज रीच टू 25,650 अराउंड. एंड 25,650 को अगर ये ब्रेक करके और ऊपर निकलता है तो मीन्स इट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू आवर ऑल टाइम हाई ऑफ 5050. बट ये 25,600 के 50 के ऊपर. तो 25,650 के बाद, or I can say I'm very, very positive. If any bad news is not coming, it is going to touch the 26,000 very soon, very soon, as in coming weeks. At is looking, this can be a good level to reach for the Nifty 50. And no doubt, I don't know what time it will take to reach there, but looking very positive. Support इसका यही रहेगा, which is 25,200, 300, अराउंड 25,300. बट अगर 25,300 ब्रेक भी हो जाता है, लाइक इट्स ब्रेकिंग 25,300, द 20 EMA विच इज 24,000, मतलब यू कैन से 25,000 इज अ साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट. 25,000 will be a very next support after the 25,300. Please be mindful with these levels, because 2 3 levels I am mentioning here, which is very important to keep in your mind. 25,300 breaking will take it to 25,000, which is very psychological support. बट अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी बैड न्यूज आती है, तो इट ऑल्सो मे ब्रेक दिस 25,000 ऑल्सो. And then I shown you in the chart that this trend line will be again a very good support, which can be, I can say, like 24,000 400 around, 400, 500 around, which I kept giving in my last earlier videos, 24,500 to 24,400. But right now I'm not going beyond that 24,400 k age. So 24,500 will be my important support for the next week. But before that, it has to break this psychological support of 25,000. That is very, very important. And yes, 25,300 is also very good support. Resistance, there is no resistance. Resistance will be only the all time high, which is 26,250 around. So 26,000 though, it is looking on the card. 26,000 can come very soon, and I can see here, and this will be my next resistance for the coming week. All in all, I can say I have given 2 3 very important support level, which you will be actually very mindful with those levels, like 25,300, 25,000, and then after 24,500. These two three levels very important to keep in your mind. And resistance is all time high, of course, 26,250. So I have discussed the important global market update, US indices, commodities, Brent oil also. I have analyzed the Nifty 50 chart and all the levels which you should be mindful. And one important thing I want to mention, that I have posted the video of the Nestle, which is going to give a bonus, all detail about the bonus and recorded and everything. Important level also where this stock should actually looking very good, the Nestle stock. So please, all about this Nestle, if you want to know about the bonus and regarding news, you please go through that video. I'll give the video link in I button and description box also. Please check that video, that is very important. And Nifty bank level ke liye and SDFC bank level, you can check the Nifty Bank Saturday video. That I'll also give that video in link also and I button also. Please, both videos very important to be aware before the time of bonus is coming. So I'll repeat the level again. The Nifty 50 important support is 25,000, and resistance is definitely all time high, 26,250 around. So like and share the video for the people to be aware with the Nestle video and all the important level for the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. And subscribe the channel also for stock market update, global market update, and indices levels update. Signing off.